Imagine stepping off the plane in Ireland, ready to soak in the vibrant culture, hear the music, and see the ancient landscapes. One of the quickest ways to feel truly immersed and connect with the famously friendly locals is by knowing how to greet them in their own unique way. What if a few simple words could instantly bridge the gap and make you feel more at home? Yes, absolutely. There are indeed common Irish ways to greet people that go beyond a simple hello, often reflecting the deep cultural roots and the warmth of the Irish people. Learning a few of these phrases can significantly enhance your experience and show genuine respect for the local traditions. The core reason behind these distinct greetings lies in the Irish language, Gaelic, and the strong sense of community that defines the culture. Many traditional greetings are more than just a quick acknowledgement. They are often well wishes or inquiries about a person's well-being, building connection and conversation from the very first word. This reflects a society that values interaction and personal touch, where every exchange is an opportunity to strengthen bonds. So, how can you put this into practice? A classic phrase is Diagwid, pronounced like Diagwit, which literally means God be with you. It is a very traditional and respectful greeting, often used in more formal settings or when addressing older individuals. The common response you might hear is Daya is Muhirgwid, pronounced Dia Iss Mwiragwit, meaning God and Mary be with you. For a more casual and widely used greeting, especially among friends, you can ask how's the crack? Pronounced how's the crack. This isn't just asking how are you, but rather inquiring about the news, fun, or gossip. You might also hear Cade Mile Folta, pronounced Cade Mila Falcha, meaning 100,000 welcomes, used to warmly invite someone. When you are leaving, a simple slán, pronounced slán, means goodbye. What is particularly fascinating is that using even a small amount of Irish, like these greetings, can open doors to incredibly warm interactions. Locals genuinely appreciate the effort, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect. This isn't just about speaking a language. It is about engaging with the living history and identity of a nation. Many of these phrases carry centuries of tradition, connecting you directly to the essence of Irish heritage. Ultimately, embracing these common Irish greetings offers more than just a linguistic lesson. It provides a unique gateway into the heart of Ireland. By taking a moment to learn and use these phrases, you are not only showing respect for the culture but also inviting richer, more authentic interactions that will undoubtedly make your journey through the Emerald Isle even more memorable and meaningful.